I tried over 100 side hustles from drop shipping, affiliate marketing, YouTube, and even TikTok. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about the one side hustle that if any of you guys do, and literally any beginners do, can make you rich. Now, just before I continue the video, let me just give you a quick background on who I am, so you know I'm qualified to talk about this. So my name is Alim, and I left the UK over 12 months ago. I used to work my 9-to-5 job back in Argos, back in World Duty Free, and back in Sky, right? And it got to a point where everything was very repetitive. You know, I was working, 12-hour shifts. And it got to a point where I was like, you know what, I've had enough. I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life. I'm going to quit my 9-to-5 job, pack my bags, and move to Dubai. And when I moved to Dubai, I tried so many different side hustles. I tried applying for so many different jobs. Nothing worked apart from this one side hustle, which has completely not only changed my life, but changed a lot of my clients' lives too. So what is this business model that I'm talking about? Well, I'll get into that later on in the video. But firstly, if you guys are looking to make money online and scale to 10K a month by selling your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis for 3 months, click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. Now, a lot of you guys are wondering, what is this side hustle, right? But let me firstly tell you guys what I've done. So I've done drop shipping. Drop shipping I've done for quite a while. You guys can probably see it on my channel, right? And yeah, I did make some decent money from drop shipping. I'm not going to say I didn't make any good money from it. However, drop shipping, it didn't work for me in the end, right? I wasn't able to make good, consistent income from it. So I stopped doing drop shipping. The next one I did was affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when you sell someone else's service and make a commission on that, right? For example, if I was promoting someone else's service, let's say it was like $50 a month, well, they'll give me like 5% of that, right? So I tried affiliate marketing. Again, I made some good money from affiliate marketing, but at the same time, it wasn't good enough. The final one was YouTube. I went full in on YouTube in the sense that I was trying to make money through AdSense. I was trying to make money through brand deals. I was trying to make money through sponsorships and all these kind of things, right? And yes, YouTube worked really well. In fact, I'd say YouTube out of all of them was very, very high on that list in regards to how much money I made. However, it got to a point where I was just chasing views. And to be honest, there is no guarantee, right? Because at the end of the day, you can't control the algorithm, right? So I was trying to make videos which will get me more and more views, which will give me more and more brand deals. However, yeah, as I said, getting views on YouTube in that kind of way can be very unethical. And it got to a point where I didn't really like the position and the way I was going forward with that. So I completely changed everything. And bear in mind, this was me here in Dubai doing this, right? Because imagine at the time I was applying for jobs and literally all the jobs were rejecting me. So I had to find a way to make money. That's when I started my own coaching program, right? Now, a coaching program is where you help someone else learn a particular skill or some knowledge. So for example, there is someone that sells a knitting program. So this woman teaches people how to knit, and it's crazy how much she's making. She's making just under 20 grand a month. You've got someone else teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. He sells it for about 8.5K a month, and he makes about 85 grand a month because he's got 10 clients, right? And he targets high-level entrepreneurs, people that are making over 100K a month. So as you can see, right, there are so many people making good money with this, right? So I was like, let me start my own coaching program. I had some experience because I worked alongside a friend. And not only that, I also hired a mentor. Now, a coaching program has completely changed my life. It's allowed me to stay here in Dubai, which you can see over here. I've got a swimming pool in my balcony, which is crazy because never in a million years would I have thought that, you know, me moving to Dubai and within 2 years I'm gonna have like a swimming pool in the balcony, which is crazy. And yeah, allowed me to live here in Dubai, working for myself, being able to do exactly what I want, when I want, where I want, and how I want, right? And this is the life that I've always wanted to live. In fact, I used to be at my 9-to-5 job, right, watching YouTube videos, probably like the one you're watching right now, and looking at other people living their life in Dubai, thinking, you know, how can these people do it? Why can't I do it, right? And it was around that time when I decided, let me just take a risk, right? And yeah, a lot of you guys don't take risks, so you need to take risk. And I'm not saying just quit your job and go full in on a business model that you've never done before. No, do a business model alongside your job, because to be honest, that's what I was doing at one time. When I was working in the UK, my 9-to-5 job, I was doing my online business, which is YouTube at the time, alongside my job. So why is a coaching program one of the best business models out of all the side hustles that, you know, I mentioned previously? Well, the reason why a coaching program works so well is because one, everyone has a skill. Now, a lot of you probably sitting behind the screen right now saying, I don't have a skill, I don't have a skill. Trust me, you're not alone with what you're thinking. Everyone thinks exactly the same. I can't tell you guys how many people I've spoken to on a sales call who've told me, I don't have a skill, can I still do this, X, Y, and Z? And a lot of them joined my program and in the end they made money, right? So everyone has a skill, right? There are 15-year-olds selling their skills and making money. So a lot of you guys are 20, 30, even 40, you have skills, okay? So that's number one. Number two, it's extremely beginner friendly because you're teaching something you already know, right? So if you get a client, you can easily just teach them because you already know what that skill is. Thirdly, you make money so much quicker because you're selling to high ticket clients. For example, if you sell your program for around $2,000 or $3,000, well, you just need about what, 3 or 4 clients to make about 10, 12K a month. So you can see how easy it is to make money and how easy it is to scale. Because a lot of people think that, you know, they need to sell something low ticket, let's say $100 or $200, and you need to sell like what, 10 of those to get like $2,000, right? It's actually harder to sell low ticket offers than high ticket offers. And it's easier to get 1 client rather than 10 clients, right? So why not just sell to high ticket clients? It's the best way to make money. And this is exactly what I did. This is when I started seeing changes in my life, because when I started my coaching program, I was able to make some serious money. And not only that, I was able to change a lot of my clients' lives, right? So if you guys are wondering what my coaching program is, I help people sell their knowledge and skills to high ticket clients. So if you've got a skill right now, or you don't know if you've got a skill, I even help you identify a skill, right? And I basically help you package it, put it in a program, and by using content and the outreach systems that I'm using and my clients are using, you can easily make 10K a month. So that's what I do. I help people scale to 10K a month by starting this online business. So again, just a quick one. If you do need any help starting this and you want to start your own coaching program and make some serious money and get some full guidance, where I'll work with you on a weekly basis on a 3-month program and scale you to 10K a month. Again, if you do need some help, click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. But yes, guys, I've tried so many different side hustles: affiliate marketing, drop shipping, YouTube, TikTok. I've done everything, right? I've literally done any side hustle you can imagine, over 100 easily. But my point is, if you can make money so much quicker with the business model that I just mentioned, then why would you try those side hustles? In fact, a lot of those side hustles require you to have a lot of money up front. Whereas this business model, there is no startup cost at all. Maybe a few dollars a month for software, but apart from that, there is no startup cost. The only startup cost that I would recommend that you guys use is invest in a mentor, right? So either if it's me or someone else, my main point is invest in someone that's gonna help you start this business so you can start printing money. And the crazy thing is, this business model can make you seriously rich. Because let's work it out, right? Let's say you charge $3,000 for a program. Imagine if you get 20 clients in 1 month. 20 clients in 1 single month. By the way, that's not very difficult to get. If you were to get 20 clients in 1 month, you'd make 60 grand. $60,000. A lot of you guys aren't even making that in a year. Imagine making that in a month. Imagine how different your life would look if you were making 60 grand a month, or even 10 grand a month, because I know a lot of you guys would be happy with like 5 or 10 grand a month. Imagine how different your life would look. You're making 10 grand a month, you're able to travel the world, you're able to do what you want, and all you have to do is turn on your laptop and start working, right? Your work is your laptop. Like, for example, with me, I get to work where I want. Sometimes I work here on my balcony, sometimes I work inside my apartment, sometimes I actually go to a coffee shop, or I go to Dubai Marina, or I might go to Dubai Mall or Dubai Hills Mall. You know, I can go wherever I want. I can even work in a beach, right? So this is the life that you get when you start making money online. And as I said, I've done so many different side hustles. There is nothing compared to starting your own coaching program. Not only that, the skills you learn, everything about it is just amazing, and it's one of the best business models that literally anyone can do and literally become rich. So again, if you do need any help starting your own coaching program where I can scale you to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me, click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And if your mindset is holding you back from starting an online business, well, make sure you click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.